Alright, this is the right rear rim, and you can see the rim is already pretty clean, but this Sonax, when we spray it on, is going to turn stuff red. Now, since we didn't do the backside first, this rim is dry, so it should do a pretty good job of cleaning. Richard's going to spray it, get between all the fins. Inside of the lug holes as well, and the center rim as well. Alright, so this bottle of Sonax, hold it up, is about 20 bucks for 16.9 ounces. I watched a lot of videos of guys doing their fancy rims, and the stuff looks pretty amazing, so I wanted to see how well it would work on our hard to reach rims. And you can see already how red everything is turning down in the crevices, and that's just getting all the brake dust off. So you're supposed to wait about 4 minutes. It says 2 to 4 minutes on the bottle, and then you can wash it off with a hose. We just happen to have a pressure washer here, so we're going to take a break and come back when 4 minutes have elapsed. Alright, here we're back. It's probably been about 5 minutes, and you can see that it is cooked pretty well down in the little crevices in the bottom there. You can see how much is laying in the bottom. So now we're going to hit it with the water. And again, no scrubbing. And you can see just how clean it is down inside with no scrubbing. Highly recommend this Sonax product. It's the Sonax Pro, about $21 on Amazon, and pretty amazing. Alright, so we have another rim here from another DeLorean, Richard McMillan's. And this is the front right wheel. You can see the spot where he ran his finger over the top part of the rim just to show how dirty it was. The rim is dry, and he's going to hit it with the Sonax now. You can immediately see that it starts turning red, except for that one spot that he wiped. Get inside the lug holes as well. Good. And we're going to let the video run for an extra minute here, just watching how that stuff just liquefies the brake dust and the dirt. You can go on YouTube and see lots of guys with much nicer rims who use this stuff and talk about it. I sincerely am calling this stuff magic because it just picks up so much of the brake dust and the dirt. It's amazing that I haven't run across another DeLorean owner that has used this stuff in the past. You can kind of see that he did not get the fins real well. You can see the fins are dry, so I'm going to hit that again real quick. You missed the fins completely.
Oh, did I?
So for all DeLorean owners out there, you don't have to take the rim off, but I think this is going to be a lifesaver for a lot of people. And if you spray it and wash it, and then spray it and wash it a second time, it looks pretty amazing. All right, we're back, and it's been about 4 minutes, and we're going to hit it with the pressure washer now. That's just a real quick pass, and you can see it did a really nice job. If you hit the pressure washer down in the crevices, it'll probably get them even cleaner. So you can see actually where I scrubbed on that one. You can see a little bit, but if we did a second coat, it probably would come right off.